ArgoPrep special time. We're learning in friendship, perfectly rhyme. We're here together, just you and me, to learn how friendship is meant to be. If you see someone playing all alone, or sitting quietly on their own, wave hello and share a smile, like ArgoPrep friends do with style. Being friendly is the way to start, to make new friends and warm their hearts. Making friends the ArgoPrep way, something special every day. Share and listen, laugh and play, that's how friendship starts today. Hey, hey, what do you say? Let's make a new friend today. Ask them what they like to do. Baby, they love learning too. Share your books and take your turn. That's how ArgoPrep helps us learn. Say please and thank you every day. And would you like to come and play?
ArgoPrep friends listen well,
Show that they care.
help others when they're feeling blue.
Ooh, good friends are always there.
Everyone is different, that is true.
Some are quiet, some are loud like you.
Some like reading, some like art.
All are special in ArgoPrep's heart. Being different makes life fun. There's room for everyone. Wave your hands up high with me. Wave hands up. Give an ArgoPrep smile to see. Big smile.
Open arms to show you care.
Hug motion. Friends are welcome everywhere. Making friends the ArgoPrep way is something special every day. Share and listen, laugh and play, that's how friendships grow each day. Hey, what did you say? We made new friends today. ArgoPrep friends are precious gold.
They make our hearts feel warm, we're told.
So keep on sharing love and care, and friendship magic will